Let's talk about fixing roads, breaking through trade barriers, spreading the word about your sustainability, and everything else that lets you provide soy to the world. Oh, and of course, make a living to support you and your family. See, there is no one solution to protecting your freedom to operate. It's a battle that takes place on too many fronts to mention here, and it happens every day. Luckily, your soy checkoff is here every day, helping to keep our bridges, locks, and railways working, so your soy can take the quickest, most efficient routes to market. Supporting and distributing research on topics like conservation tillage, proving to your customers just how sustainable U.S. soy really is, and showing overseas buyers how biotechnology is helping U.S. soybean farmers meet the world's growing need for food, feed, and fuel. Whether it's here at home or overseas, your soy checkoff is out there, fighting for you and your freedom to operate.